Good afternoon, friends. This is Lisa from Della Honda in Plattsburgh, New York. Today we are demonstrating the all-new 2020 Honda CR-V Hybrid. We are going to demonstrate how the vehicle works with lane keep assist. Lane keep assist actually gives you the bars we talked about during adaptive cruise control class. Now, when I'm going around this curve, it will literally start to steer for us. When I start to leave the lane, I'm going to get a little jiggle, and it's going to bring me back straight, back in the middle of the lanes today. The reason that the new manufacturers are doing these new safety features, one, because the government requires us to do so, and two, a lot of times the customers are very distracted as they're driving. One thing that we really want to emphasize today is the all-new look of the 2020 Hybrid. It has a push-button shift. It has all your modes, which are Sport, Econ, and EV mode. We'll have another class to demonstrate how all those modes work. But today, it's all about the lane keep assist. So as we're driving, we're going to demonstrate once again how this works. So when I start to leave my lane, it will literally steer this car for us. So, and you're gonna feel sometimes a little bit of pull against you when you're trying to leave the lane, and it's just letting you know that the car is in charge. With all the computers and safety features on board, it's keeping us safe. We hope to see you soon at Della Honda to go on a test drive in the new 2020 Honda Hybrid CR-V. Have a great day.